welcome back to my channel. This is Carol. In today's video also I'm going to be playing a game while doing my makeup, but there is a small difference over here. I'm going to be playing this game alone. So I asked my cousin to send her voice for the questions part, and then I'm going to be answering the questions. So let's see if you like this video and let's get straight.
Would you rather have unlimited international first class tickets or never have to pay for food at restaurants?
Yo, unlimited international first class tickets over unlimited food at a restaurant any day. Unlimited food at a restaurant is still very dependent on how much you can eat, right? Just because you have access to unlimited free food, you can eat like 50 times a day. That's not really possible. And whatever little you want to eat, at least it's not that expensive as unlimited international first class tickets would be to any part of the world, man. That is luxury.
Would you rather see what was behind every closed door or be able to guess the combination of every safe on the first try?
Be able to guess the combination of a safe in the first try. I'll tell you why. Not because I want to open somebody else's safe, because I keep forgetting the combination of locks and safes, and it is really a task to retrieve these things, okay? I would want to be able to guess the combination of safe in the first try. That would really save me a lot of time.
Would you rather eat rice with every meal and never be able to eat bread, or eat bread with every meal and never be able to eat rice?
Okay, so I'm very South Indian that way. I love my rice, my red rice to be specific. I think it's a Mangalorean thing. So if I have to pick between rice and red, 100% my choice would be rice and red rice to be more specific.
Would you rather be able to dodge anything no matter how fast it's moving, or be able to ask any 3 questions and have them answered accurately?
Ask any 3 questions and have it answered directly. I mean, what's better than having direct answers to your questions, man? And especially with people, when people just beat around the bush and don't answer your question directly. So if I could ask questions and if those questions could be answered directly, man, I swear life would be so much more easier.
Would you rather wake up as somebody else and have control over their lives, or spend a day inside a stranger without having any control over them?
Be able to wake up as a random new person and know that person properly. The whole aim of life essentially is to understand yourself better, right? To be more self-aware. I don't see a reason to be somebody else and not know that person. That's just life going in reverse then.
Would you rather have edible spaghetti hair that regrows every night, or sweat maple syrup that's not sweet?
Gross. I don't know. Eat your own hair, that sucks. And have maple syrup also sucks. So which one sucks more? I would pick have edible spaghetti hair, because I'm assuming that if they're saying it's edible, you can eat it and it's spaghetti, so it's still better than having maple syrup all over you. Plus, maple syrup is really sticky, so just imagine having all like sticky stuff all over your body when you're sweating, like honey, right? It sucks when you open the bottle, you pour honey and then you close the lid and your hands are all sticky and messy. So I will have edible spaghetti hair.
Would you rather have to fart loudly every time you have a serious conversation, or have to burp after every kiss?
I think burp after you kiss. That's also gross, but like imagine farting every time you're trying to have a serious conversation. It'll just be so funny, and then that conversation won't even be serious after that. So, I mean, what's the point of then even trying to have a serious conversation if you know it's going to turn out to be funny? So, burp after you kiss.
Would you rather have a completely automated home or a self-driving car?
I would choose have a self-driving car, because I don't know how to drive, okay? And I struggle with Ola and Uber and all of that, because these people just cancel all the time and it's difficult to get cabs in general. And when you're in a hurry, it's just the worst. So, having a self driving car will solve a lot of my problems.
Would you rather never be able to wear pants or never be able to wear shorts?
Shorts or pants? That's a tough one. I really like wearing shorts, it's very comfortable and everything. But I like the way pants look. It just looks so smart, and moreover, you can't always wear shorts to work also. It's not fun. So I would pick pants. Never be able to wear shorts if the option is shorts and pants.
Would you rather have a bottomless box of Legos or a bottomless gas tank? Hey, now that's an easy one.
Look, this whole Lego business is pretty messy, okay? I hate it when blocks of Legos are lying all over the place. It's a whole task to then collect it and put it back in the box, organize everything. But if my options are bottomless box of Legos and bottomless tank of gas, dude, I am choosing bottomless box of Legos. Bottomless tank of gas can be lethal. That's pretty scary to get suffocated with the gas, or like just imagine somebody lights a matchstick.
Would you rather never run out of battery power on your phone or always have free Wi Fi wherever you go?
I would rather never run out of battery on my phone. See, because there's Wi-Fi, you still have to recharge it once a month or once a year, and you're sorted. But battery keeps dying, and sometimes it's really, actually a lot of times, it's really difficult to recharge it because you wouldn't have carried your power bank, or there is no charging point where you go, and then it gets tough. And
Would you rather eat an egg with a half formed chicken inside or eat 10 cooked grasshoppers?
oops, uh, half-formed chicken inside an egg is really gross. Grasshoppers are also gross, but I think if you fry it nicely, like you deep fry it, it'll be okay. You won't even know the taste. And if I had to pick between these two, then definitely a cooked grasshopper, a fried grasshopper actually. A deep fried grasshopper is okay, I think. From the
Would you rather have constantly dry eyes or constantly runny nose? Ew.
dry eyes or runny nose? So I know what runny nose can feel like, and it's pretty annoying. But I can really imagine what dry eyes would feel like, man. It would be like really uncomfortable. So runny nose.
Would you rather lose all your money and valuables or all the pictures you have ever taken?
I mean, my entire work and business is dependent on pictures. Like, it's so visual, right? Makeup is so visual. Having said that, I would still pick to not lose my money and valuables because, dude, money is important, okay? And if you lose everything, you'll probably not even have a house because a house is an asset is a valuable. And that sucks. So, I would choose to keep my money, and it's okay if I lose pictures, it's fine.
Would you rather pick true love or a suitcase with $5 million?
Whoa. It's funny how I said money is important in the previous question, but it depends on what you're comparing it to. Again, what is true love, right? It's very subjective. But from my definition of true love, if I had to pick between $5 million in a suitcase and true love, then I would pick true love.
Would you rather be alone for the rest of your life or always be surrounded by annoying people?
I would choose to be alone. If the choice is to have annoying people around me all the time, man, no. No, no, no. I will never pick that out of choice ever. Look, at the end, somewhere we all have to, I think, learn to be okay to be alone. That is different from being lonely. And it's so important to know that, be aware of that, and not feel lonely when you're alone. Because being surrounded by annoying people can really get to you, and it can really ruin your mental health. And there's not much you can do about it because you cannot control somebody else. But when you're alone, you can do your own thing. It's awesome.
Would you rather never use social media ever again or never watch another movie or TV show?
Never watch a movie or TV show. I'm not so much of a movie or TV show person. I don't watch too much. But social media I use very, very often. A lot, a lot, a lot. So I won't give up social media for TV shows or movies.
Would you rather always have a great body for your entire life, but have slightly below average intelligence, or have a mediocre body for your entire life, but be slightly above average intelligence?
I would pick being intelligent over my body looking a certain way. I love to look slim and have a great figure and all, don't get me wrong, I love that. But if the choice was to be made between having a great body or more intelligence, then intelligence would definitely be my choice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. And if you did, then please subscribe to this channel and let's build this family together. Until the next time, take care.